Hi there, it's Becca here from Swansway Chester Peugeot, and today I'm showing you around this Toyota RAV4 XL 4-wheel drive. It's a 2022 model based on the 2.5 litre petrol hybrid powertrain with automatic transmission. This car comes from only one previous owner with 38,000 miles on the clock, and it's finished in the stunning Galaxy Black metallic paint. This looks incredible paired with the 19-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels and the rear privacy glass and chrome exterior detailing. The Toyota also benefits from automatic LED headlights offering fantastic visibility. The vehicle does boast a powered tailgate offering improved access to the boot space, which can be opened using the key remote like I've done here. Moving inside, you can see the Toyota offers the fantastic JBL surround sound system with the subwoofer in the boot there, and you've got plenty of storage available. Moving into the rear seats, you can see they're finished in the full leather upholstery with ISOFIX mounting points located on the outer two and plenty of legroom provided. Into the driver's interior, you've got controls on the door card for your electric windows and door mirrors. You can see you've got brushed aluminium detailing throughout the interior, and the car also benefits from the optional panoramic sunroof, which offers plenty of light and air into the cabin. The front seats are also electrically adjustable, with the driver's seat offering the memory feature. Now the steering wheel is multifunction with the cruise control and speed limiter located on the right, and all of your media controls found on the left. Moving up towards the dials, you can see you've got the digital display offering access to your trip information and more of your driver assistance features. Moving across to the media screen itself, you've got a full touchscreen system here, offering access to the full satellite navigation system, allowing you to easily plan routes and check out any nearby points of interest. In terms of music, you can access DAB, FM and AM radio wavebands, or if you prefer, you can connect your own devices via Bluetooth and USB. Now you can also use the Bluetooth feature for safely taking and making phone calls while out on the go. And then if we go into the information tab, you can take a look at your energy monitor and your trip information. The Toyota does also support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can fully integrate your smartphone if you'd like to use your own apps. Popping the vehicle into reverse displays the rear view camera. You have also got front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvres much easier. The vehicle does provide a dual zone climate control, along with heated front seats to keep passengers comfortable. You'll then find the media ports just underneath, alongside the automatic gear selector and the electric parking brake. You've then got your selectable driving modes, which does include the EV mode, along with the trail off-road. You do then have plenty of additional storage along the centre console with the cup holders and the armrest. Thank you for watching the video tour on this Toyota RAV4, currently available at Swansway Chester Peugeot. For more information, please contact our sales team.